building owner should retrofit with heat pumps to future-proof their building against rising utility costs and carbon fines and carbon taxes. So again, there are the two different types of buildings we focus on. There's electrically heated buildings and there's gas heated buildings. So an electrically heated building, it's expensive for the building owner. If they want to look at options to reduce their operating expenses, they can look at heat pumps or they can look at putting in a high efficiency boiler hydronic system. The problem with that is it's very invasive and very disruptive to tenants to put plumbing throughout the building, boilers and so forth. And then you're sort of left with the same problem that you're burning natural gas and you're going to be faced with carbon fines and taxes in the future. So the other option, it's the least invasive and the most energy efficient would be to put in heat pumps. Our crews can be in and out of one apartment in one day. So it's very minimally invasive and you've decreased your expenses significantly.
I think also the way that we approach our clients. So HVAC people talk in the language of HVAC. Energy managers talk in the language of kilowatt hours. Politicians talk in the language of voters and constituents. We talk in the language of the landlord, which is value. So when you present it to a landlord who's the end decision maker, it doesn't matter what the politicians are doing or what they say, the person that has to make the decision at the end of the day is the building owner. And presenting it as a value in the prism of value is one where they can see how to make the change and they can make that step forward to decarbonize because they know they're going to get value out of that.
Absolutely. And they're going to, again, add value by adding air conditioning to these older buildings that didn't have air conditioning before. So for electrically heated buildings, you decrease your heating costs, you add air conditioning, which is a value add to the building and a better quality of life for tenants. And then for gas heated buildings, you're increasing the value because you're, again, future-proofing against carbon taxes and carbon fines, still adding air conditioning to these older buildings without central AC. And we know that by about 2026, it's going to be on par as it relates to heating with a heat pump in terms of cost and heating with natural gas. So, future-proofing.